Guardians will breach the castle gates.
Have breached. My powers could not hold them any longer, Your Majesty.
Now what? What do we do?